In this video, I will tell you about how you can access your account from your smartphone using the BookMyne app. With BookMyne, you can see all of your checkouts and when they are due. You can renew items. You can place a hold or see where you are on the holds list. And you can view other information about your account, such as any fees owed. This video was recorded on a Samsung Galaxy phone, but if you have an iPhone, the process is very similar. The first step in using BookMyne is to get the app. Go to your app store, search for BookMyne, which is spelled BookMyne. And it is the BookMyne app by Circe Dynex. Tap Install, accept the terms, and then wait for the app to download and install. This is not a very large app, so you do not have to be on high-speed Wi-Fi to do it in a timely manner, but it will count against your data, so it is a good idea to be on a Wi-Fi connection instead of using your 4G or 3G. Once it's installed, open the app, and it will immediately ask you to find your library. And if you have your GPS coordinates turned on, you can do the nearby search. Or you can just search by name and type in the Mobile Public Library. Select your favorite branch and add the library. Next, you will want to sign in as yourself so that you can access your own account. Tap the My Account. Enter in the 14-digit code underneath the barcode without any spaces. You're also going to need your PIN number. If you're not sure what your PIN number is, please contact a library staff member. We'll be happy to look it up for you. And from this account screen, you can tap Checkouts to see what you currently have on your account. And it will say for each item when it is due back. Valley of Bones is due back in just a couple days. So I will check mark that item and tap Renew. And it will ask me to confirm the renewals. Be careful when renewing items that you don't inadvertently renew a video that you don't intend to renew. If you renew a movie or a TV show, you will be charged an additional 75 cents. And going back to my account, I can also view fees. This account does not currently have fees, but if it did, it would be listed there. Now I'm going back to the home screen to search for something to place on hold. You can tap where it says All Fields and narrow it down to author, title, subject. In this case, I'll search for an author. And I'll search for MC Beaton's latest book. So I'll just type in the author's last name and hit the search button. And then on this list of results, I will check mark Death of a Ghost and place hold. And then I will select the branch that I want to pick it up at. If you always go to the same branch, click that Save as Default so you don't have to keep picking the branch from the list. And so now Death of a Ghost is placed on hold. Now I'm going to go back and place a couple more holds. And this time I'm going to search for a DVD. So I'll take Beaton out and I'll change the author to title. And now I'm going to search for Doctor Who. And I will check the 2 parts of Season 9 because you can place multiple holds at one time if they're all in the same search results. I'll click Place Hold, and More Branch is already selected. Save and place the holds. Now, when I go back to my account and go to holds, it will list the 3 holds I just placed. The Death of a Ghost is still in order. That's what the XX means. So it doesn't have a particular position in the queue. For the Doctor Who's, it says position 1, so that means I would be the next person to get it. But say I change my mind. I check mark them, click Edit, and select Remove Holds. And continue and confirm the removal of the holds. And now I'm no longer waiting for those 2 items. On the Edit Hold menu, you also have the option to suspend a hold. This is a very useful function for cases where you'll be unavailable to pick up your holds. Say you're going on vacation. You select the dates that you will not be able to pick up holds. It defaults to today's date as the start date, but you can change that. We'll just pick an end date on here. Let's say April 28th. Let's just say, for instance, we're going on a long trip to Europe. Save the dates, confirm the item, and now your hold is suspended. That means that we'll hold your spot on the queue without pulling the item. So if you came up to number 1 while you were on a trip, we will skip over you until you come back, and then when your suspension's up, you will go right to the top of the list. So that way you don't have to put yourself in again for the same item because you missed your pickup. If you have a smartphone, I hope you give BookMyne a try. I think you'll find it very useful for keeping up with your library account. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more information on how best to use library resources. And as always, thank you for watching.